Okay guys, hope you're well. Keeping half an eye on the DAX, and I just want to kind of give you an update as to what the sheet is saying. So let me just flick this on a second and I'll show you. Now if I look at my sheet, because I kind of watch it over and over, and I've kind of put the DAX at the top of the list, and it's the 10 o'clock candle, which is what we're in now. It says it's a gain, but it hasn't give a bias, and it says no trade. Now I know you guys want to try and work things out yourself, but I do it with this sheet, and that's the way it'll be for me. But let's just look at to why it would say it doesn't know. Well, if you look at this makeup as it is now, you look at your anchor chart, and your anchor chart is where you get your idea from. All right, fast moving is an hour. If it's slightly slower, use a 4 hour. It's because it takes time to move about. So why would it not pick a bias out? It's because it can't. You've got a strong drive up, and it is stuck at a key level, and it's pushing outside a Bollinger. So at this moment in time, you could say, well, it could be going down. Well, yes, there is that belief, because it could bounce off that and easily come to this moving average. However, if we look and scrunch this up, it's also fighting against that. So what it's trying to work out is this trying to go to the 50%, or is it going to bounce this level and come away? In other words, it's fighting against pockets of air that isn't there. It has a roadblock, right? Because if I put a fib into this, you can say, right, okay, well, there's a move up there, and it's got this far down. Well, it's hit the 23 to move up, showing the gain, but it's got a major roadblock here, stopping it in its tracks. So what it tells you to do is wait. And that's why you look at the top of the hour. Because if you wait, say it's 11 o'clock, it's not that far, maybe it's 40 minutes away, this could recede back down to there, and then give you a half decent entry to get back in, to move up here, or follow your price down to come back up. Or on the other alternative, it could continue in its journey, break the solid barrier, and then give you a pocket of air into the 50. It's helping you relax your trade and slow down. The worst thing you can do is just dive in for the sake of diving in. Less is more, and patience is your best tool in the bag. So I hope that makes sense, and I'll keep monitoring through the day. And like you've seen me before in the past, sometimes you might get into your trade till late afternoon, but it's a solid trade rather than just jumping in and having a weak trade. There you go. Hope that helps.